I'm quite fond of Java. I've been using it for 20 years now.
But didn't you complain about having to write all these getters and setters the other day? Let me show you how it looks in Kotlin. So let's create a class. Not object.
It's okay.
Okay,
So this part is for his computer and that part is my computer,
yeah.
just in case.
Live coding per programming. So yeah, you are a little bit grumpy today.
No, I'm not. Not at all.
Okay, not always. So let's make it cooling. Okay.
Well, all getters and setters it's one, but I can generate that with my ID. Just look at it. New Java. And you are of course.
C'è costruttore tutto là dentro.
And getters and setters, no problem at all.
No, I'm not. But you don't have a constructor in your code.
I don't? Well, yeah, I don't, but I can also generate that with my ID. It's not a big deal. Yes.
Okay, I bet you can also generate hash code, equals, and toString. But take a look what I need to change in my code to have all of them. Yeah, that's it.
Well. It's quite some boilerplate, right? But I generate that once and forget about it later. It's nothing that looms large in my mind.
But what if you need to add a new field or change something? Don't you remember your last fight with my father when he had to review all your code changes after doing that? You know he doesn't trust the IDE. As you can imagine, I simply add this in Kotlin. Okay. Break. Break the line again.
Okay. It seems all nice and groovy, but you know I already use groovy in my test code already. I can generate all these boilerplates without any problems there.
And I bet you think that it's hard to learn a new thing at your age. But there is this sweet Java to Kotlin converter, so you can gradually learn new features. Let's go into your production code and I will show you how it works.
Okay, let's open our program factory I'm working on right now.
Yeah, it's
The usual Java enterprise code, you know.
nasty. Okay. So just type the command shift A. Okay, and type convert. Yeah. Convert to Kotlin. And here you are. You can read the Kotlin code and know what he's doing.
Okay, it all sounds good, but I'm still not convinced. Why should I bother with this new programming language?
So, as you said, in Groovy you can also remove this old boilerplate,
Yeah,
but
so what's the difference with Kotlin?
Groovy is very dynamic, so you will often get runtime errors which a static analysis could show you during compilation time. This is where Kotlin shines. Remember that genealogical tree displayer we were coding for Grandma birthday last month? Remember that null pointer exception we were debugging for about 3 hours?
Yeah, that was a nasty one.
So let's have a look at it again.
If I remember correctly, we decided that both getFather and getName in the person interface could return no, because I never knew my great-grandfather, and my grandfather was deaf-mute, so he never told us his name, even if we asked.
Okay, we all know this story, but what's wrong with this code?
Oh, it was... I remember now, it was this last if statement. We didn't check for null here, and we were returning null, saving that into database, and then some other code was blowing because of reading unexpected null value.
Okay, so let's see how it would look in Kotlin. Okay, so do you see these question marks after the type?
Yes. What are those?
This indicates that this value can be null. Okay, so let's write the logic. So we need to have get a father from the person. Okay, and now check if the father exists. Yeah, and now get a name from the grandfather, from the father, and just return it. Yeah. See this red underscore here?
I can see that. Can you see that?
Yep.
This is exactly where the problem was last time. Kotlin keeps an eye on you and don't let you compile your code if you are doing something unsafe. You will never forget about null check again, Granpa.
Oh, that would save us a lot of time.
Oh, okay, name, yeah. But the problem is the same. Okay, so let's fix it. Let's check if the name is not null. Yeah, and in that case, return the name. See these green backgrounds in the code?
Yeah.
Here.
What is that?
This indicates that the IDE knows that the value cannot be null anymore because you have checked it earlier. So, yeah, it's safe now. But in Kotlin, I can make this code a lot shorter. So let me do that. We'll just return father from person and his name, but the father could be null, so we need to put a question mark here, yeah, and the name. But if the father is null or the name is null, the whole expression on the left, yeah, would be null. So in that case, we use an else operator and return the name not null. Yeah, and in Kotlin, we could make this code even shorter by inlining the single function expression. So just type alt enter, and yeah, and okay, so you don't see it. I will break the line. Okay, it's a little bit better. And now, okay. So this type is not necessary because it could be inferred from the expression, so we can get rid of it. Yeah. And how cool is that in comparing to Java?
This sounds really sweet. If I only learn this new ketchup language...
No, Granpa, it's Kotlin, not ketchup.
Oh, well, if I learn this new Kotlin language, I could save so much time. I could go to 10 DroidCons every year.
Awesome, Grandpa. So I will see you there.
Okay, see you, youngster.
Bye.